I'd like to take a brief moment just to ask each of our panelists for their key takeaways or their final thoughts. Lee, we heard from you first. Do you want to give us a couple of your closing thoughts from today's presentation?
Yes. I believe, frankly, that we're going to see more, especially as the courts are denying motions to dismiss and certifying classes. I think that's going to embolden the plaintiffs' bar, and we're going to see more of the origin claims, especially in the beer industry. The craft beer market is really growing in the United States. And I think a lot of those companies are not quite as sophisticated, perhaps, in making the marketing claims related to geographic origin.
Thank you so much, Marissa. We went to you second. Do you want to give us a few of your final thoughts from today's presentation?
Sure. I think that there will be an uptick in natural and clean and perhaps a lack of disclosure type litigation with respect to glyphosate and other sort of scientific-y sounding names, whether or not that is citric acid or maltic acid, or whether or not it's an herbicide like glyphosate, which isn't added to the product itself, but really is used in the production process. I think there will be an uptick in that litigation. And I also think that with respect to ingredients that are just used in the production process, you're going to see challenges there, as well as natural type challenges to technical production processes in general.
Thank you so much. And finally, Jeff, we heard from you. Do you want to give us a few of your key takeaways today?
Sure. Along with the other comments, I think that we're likely to see the battleground be moving past motions to dismiss and moving towards summary judgment and class certification in these food labeling cases. And that's been true for quite some time, but I think it's even more the case today. Specifically for the malic acid cases, I look forward to seeing whether and when defendants' full expert analysis is put up against the plaintiff's expert analysis to see whether those claims actually bear fruit, no pun intended.